Following the deadly attack on civilian population at Koktruk village yesterday, Manipur government's Home Department has strongly condemned the bomb attack carried out by Kuki militants on unarmed villages in Imphal West, Koktruk last night, which led to death of 2 persons, including a woman, while also injuring many. In a press release, it is said that state government viewed the incident seriously and has taken up immediate actions to control the situation and to punish those who were involved in the attack on Koktruk village. While taking note of the use of drone, bombs and many sophisticated weapons by Kuki militants, Home Department maintained that such attacks is seen as an attempt to derail the peace efforts of state government, which is putting all possible efforts towards bringing normalcy in the state.